Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video to show you a new savings calculator that I've added to the Chow Local website, which will allow you to compare the cost of being on Chow Local versus the cost of being on any other food delivery app that charges commissions. So it's very easy to use. You just have to specify three values. The first is the number of orders the restaurant gets on average or roughly per month. This would be the number of orders they typically get online or through one of these delivery apps. So let's set that to whatever number. And then the next question is what's the average order total? And this is the order total before the delivery app takes their cut. So if the customer is spending $40 and as the restaurant you're only getting $30, you should set this to $40 because that's what the customer is paying. And that this amount should be the order total minus delivery fees and tip and all of that. So just for the food that they're ordering. Lastly, just specify the commission percentage that the restaurant is currently paying to the delivery app. So, if you're on Skip and you're paying 30%, then it's already set to 30 by default, but you can adjust it accordingly. Then you'll see a breakdown of some income and expenses. So firstly, this restaurant brings in about $10,900 a month in sales through this delivery app. And then yearly, that's $131,000. So that's good sales amount that's coming through the delivery app. And then the cost to be on that delivery app breaks down to $3,276. And yearly, that's $39,312. So that's a quite a chunk of change there. Now, if you compare that with Chow Local, our monthly fee is $200, our regular monthly fee, and that works out to being $2,400 a month. Um, if the restaurant is willing to place a Chow Local sticker on their door and thus help promote Chow Local and help drive their customers to Chow Local instead of those other apps that they're advertising on the door, then we are willing to give the restaurant $15 off their monthly fee. Also, if the restaurant is willing to provide Chow Local users $5 off their first order, we're willing to lower the monthly fee by $30 per month. And then if the restaurant is willing to place a sticker on every order they get, online or through other sales channels, and that sticker will basically invite the customer to try the Chow Local app next time, and it'll tell them they can save $5 on their next order. If the restaurant's willing to do that, we'll provide the stickers. They just have to put them on every order. Then they get another $30 off per month. And then lastly, if the restaurant is willing to promote Chow Local on social media, we'll give them another $30 off. Now, with all these savings, now the restaurant's paying $95 a month, which is the fee that 90 something percent of all the restaurants on Chow Local pay. So that's why we usually quote $95 a month as the fee. Um, but as you can see how it breaks down, Chow Local, if you have a restaurant right now that's on one of these apps like Skip or whatever, and you're doing these numbers in sales, if you were able to convince your customers to order through Chow Local instead of through whatever app they're currently using, your restaurant could ultimately save over $3,000, and that equates to over $38,000 a year in this scenario. So that's what this calculator is for. It's just there to show a restaurant owner how much they are currently paying in commissions and how much they could save if they can get their customers to order through Chow Local instead of that high commission delivery app. Hopefully this video is helpful, and hopefully this calculator is something that you can use.